If you like my dad's videos, please subscribe to QA Insights channel.
In this episode 12 of Performance Engineering series, today we are going to talk about one of the famous error, Stack Overflow. You will get Stack Overflow error whenever your JVM exceeds the stack memory. It might be due to the underlying code. For example, if you see this recursive call, we are calling the function again and again, which will lead to Stack Overflow error. In the Buggy app, you can simulate this error by passing the argument problem_stack overflow, and here we are passing the thread stack size of 180K. Now let us go to the Blackboard to see the concept in detail. So here we have the stack memory and heap memory. So in the stack memory, we have the function called callThis. This function in turn will call this. Again, the function will call this. And this will keeps on going and it will reach the maximum thread stack size. So once it is reached, your JVM will not be able to allocate more space. Then it will throw the java.lang.stack overflow error. So this is how you can simulate the stack overflow error pretty much in a couple of lines of code. Now let us see how we can simulate this error in JMeter. So here I have written a simple function in Groovy. The line number 1 has the declaration call this function. In line number 3, we have a function called callThis, which in turn calling the same function again and again. When you run this particular snippet using one thread, so here I have one thread, 1 second ramp up and 1 loop count. Whenever you run this code, you can see the error. And if you just scroll to the top and line number 13, clearly stating that java.lang.stack overflow error. So you can simulate this error pretty much in any Java application. Now if you go to the terminal and go to the Buggy app /dist folder and pass the thread stack size of 180K so that we can simulate the error pretty much quickly, and pass the argument problem_stack overflow. Before starting your Buggy app, just launch the JDK Mission Control and go to the terminal and hit enter. So we are going to monitor what's going on in the backend in the JDK Mission Control. Now expand your Buggy app and open your Mbean server and go to the Threads tab. In the Threads tab, you can see the main function. The thread state of this particular thread is timed waiting. And if you click on the particular item, at the bottom you can see the stack trace. If the thread is going to timed waiting for a long time, then something is going on the backend. So this needs to deep dive into backend code. Now let us go to the terminal, and here you can see it is looped 1000 times. Now shortly we will be getting the stack overflow error. Now we are seeing error. So it is clearly stating that the line number in the file stack overflow demo.java, in the line number 34, we are getting some issue. If you go to the top, you can clearly see the error java.lang.stack overflow error at the line number 33 and 34. Here you can see the output. It looped 1000 times and total iterations 1794. But after that, there is no memory to allocate in the stack. Then your JVM will throw this error. So this is how you can simulate the stack overflow error. And basically you have to refactor your code. Instead of increasing the stack size, you need to deep dive into the backend and see how you can refactor the code. Increasing the thread stack size is a temporary solution. I don't recommend it unless it is required. But you have to deep dive in the backend and see what's going on in the code. That's it guys on my side. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.
If you like my dad's videos, please subscribe to QA Insights channel.